Uh, Hello guys, it's me. It's my first experience in the Java, and like I started Java in April 1st, and learn some Java and like basic stuff for like 2 weeks, and now I'm gonna like try how much I learn and it's doing like some project. Let's First project I wanna do is making a means calculator that converts the integer into odds. I'm sorry if I do mistake. It's my first experience, so I don't know if I'm gonna do it nicely or not. So let's start with making calculators. So first I'm gonna bring the scanner to get the input from the user. If I put a scanner, just IntelliJ just gonna like import the scanner automatically, so you don't have to like import it. So you just write the scanner. Let's get the input because the scanner is for like the input. So let's put the input. So we're gonna make the instance a new scanner. So we're gonna get the input. So let's write system and dot IN. You don't have to write full input, just IN is fine. So after let's first ask the client side. Oh go me. string first IN input is equal to. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. First I need to do so like. Yeah, so first I need to do like in print, get the from the client. I'm sorry, I need to get the input from the client. So let's get the client input from the client. So system.out.print enter the first number in odds. I don't want the user to put the like the integer. I want them to put it in the odds. Okay. So if they put it in the odds, let's save that in variable. Let's just define the variable called string first input is equal to first input is the first input they're gonna I'm gonna save it in save it in the input, that is scanner. Okay, in input dot next line. Okay, then again I'm gonna ask the user to give me the second input. Enter the second number in odds. Okay. I'm gonna print this in the same line, so I'm gonna cancel this one. This two, okay. Then again, I'm gonna save this input string string. Let's see con second ion input. We don't. Oh, we have error. Okay. I think that's not a error for that one. Let's just input dot next line. So okay. This is string is in the capital. I'm sorry. It's string, right? This is in the capital. So we gonna and then I'm gonna save that in the seconds. Okay, let's check. It's run perfectly. Okay, it's run perfectly. Into the second, let's just put something. I think it's gonna show the error. Okay, it runs perfectly. Let's again rerun it. Okay, let's just give like 2 and 3. Okay, this worked perfectly. Now the next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna convert this to the input they're gonna give, because they're gonna give in the odds like in the string form. So I want to convert that string into the like integer. Okay, now let's convert the string into the integer, integer or double. Let's put it the double because they can put the the point decimal. So let's use the double, DOU double. Okay. Okay, let's gonna define the double convert. Let's give it this like CONBAT convert one input, and then let's give it to like I have to put like CON BERT convert. I have to convert the convert to number, right? To NUMBERS number. Convert to number, whatever the user gonna give the input. Okay. I need another double CONBERT convert. I'm gonna do input. This also same CONBERT convert to NUMBR convert to numbers. Convert, let's put the numbers or number, what it is, it doesn't matter really. So we are creating like some method. Okay, so here we get the error. Okay, if we click here, so we can create the method, okay, to convert this one. Convert the word private static double convert to number. So we have like now here, so we can convert that whatever the user give the like the input in odd into the integer, like the 2 3 in the like integer. Let's do that one now. So I'm gonna give this to like convert to number. I'm gonna give this parameter, or what I'm gonna give this parameter to, like, let's give the like the string 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 WRDS words. You can just let's put the words. Okay, let's to put WRDS words is equal to WRD words dot to lower case. Why I put this lower case is like I want like if they put like the in the like capital letter or the small letter, so there will not be errors. So I am gonna put this into like this. Okay, so I'm gonna use the switch statement, SW switch statement, and I'm gonna get the word WRDS words, and let's put this one switch statement words. Then after this one, I'm gonna have the case because there are gonna be zero. Let's start from the zero. JTR 0 return. I don't know why this switch. I don't know my. Then that zero is the zero. Okay. Then I need to have case two. Yes, case W2 will return two. I think first let's do this with the one, whatever. One. This is just case to return to. I need to have this PW2 word. Okay, we wrote everything for the switch case, and we're gonna write the like default. We're gonna print the default as like double. There is like double dot not a number. If there is like not a number, if they put like your name, like whatever is like the Alan or something, whatever the name. Okay, if they put we wanna print is after number error, so it will gonna give the error. Okay, the case statement is over. The convert to number, this one is over. Convert to numbers. So convert to number, this has to be the like the first input. Yeah, the first input, second input. That's a CON, second input. Okay. So okay, let's write the condition. Condition to perform per perform function condition to perform. First, let's do some addition. Okay, addition. So let's write the if the double doup double dot is the condition double is the convert one convert one or comment or double double dot is convert to. If like any condition is true, give me the error. I'm gonna put this condition. Okay, if this any condition is true, so give me the error. Okay, okay, comment. I want to put this space here. Condition if so ut would give me the error. Okay, invalid input. Please provide number in words. Okay, so so if they're gonna put this one, so they're gonna give this me like the words. Okay, this now else give me else right, I think it's else double. The result will be in the double because it's integer. Okay, double result double result is equal to convert con to convert 1 plus con convert 2. If it's not apart from this one double. Okay, double. Okay, else I think we are now ready to go. Oh, I have to print it. Yes, so so you this is so the answer your result is plus I need to give me the result re. Okay, result. I think we don't have error. Maybe let's just now if it's a result, I want it to close. Okay, I want the system to close input dot close. I want it to the exit. Okay, exit the line. If it's let's just check. Okay, if it's far from whatever we're saying r. Okay, please enter the first number in the words. Let's just put 5. Okay, let's just put 5 into the second number in. Let's just put 6. Invalid input. Please enter the number in words. Okay, it's working, but I don't know why it's wrong because 6 and 8 is should be the wrong. Is it capital? I think it's 6, right? Okay, let's read on this one. I don't know why it's let's just put 1. Let's just put W2. It's not performing the function. I don't know what is the result. So let's just see. The result is plus the result. RERC result. This is the right. The result. Yeah. Invalid input. After spending like really 5 minutes to 10 minutes, I found the mistake. Okay, the mistake is, let's see. Let's rerun the program. Okay, let's rerun the program. Okay, so let's type 1 Then I'm typing the space. Okay, let's type 2 invalidate. Why is invalidate? Because I'm putting the space. I should not put the space. Okay, let's just do the same. Read on it. Okay. Okay. 1 no space. Enter. 2 no space. 3 bang. This is how you're done. Okay. I think this is like the nice project I have done it. So please don't put the space after you put the like the number. In the future, I will try to solve that problem. How to do it that space. Mm, for today, thank you for watching. See you on next after 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks, I'm planning to make one project after learning in the job. So let's see how long we're gonna go. Thank you for watching. See you on next video, guys. Voila.